The success rate for data recovery is a critical factor to consider when entrusting your valuable digital information to a data recovery service. It provides insight into the service's proficiency in retrieving lost data from various types of hard drive failures. To make an informed decision, inquire about the service's track record and success rate in recovering data from different types of hard drive failures. When assessing a data recovery service's success rate, it's essential to understand that success can vary depending on the specific circumstances of the data loss. Hard drive failures come in various forms, and each type may present unique challenges. Therefore, it's valuable to ask about the service's success rates in the following key areas. Physical damage. Inquire about their success in recovering data from hard drives with physical damage, such as head crashes, platter scratches, or motor failures. Data recovery from physically damaged drives is often considered more challenging. Logical failures. Ask about their track record in recovering data from drives with logical failures, such as accidental deletions, file system corruption, or virus infections. These issues may be more common but still require expertise to address. RAID data recovery. If you have a RAID array that has failed, inquire about their success in reconstructing and recovering data from RAID configurations, including RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, and others. Solid-state drives, SSDs. SSDs have different failure mechanisms than traditional hard drives. Ask about their success rates in recovering data from SSDs, considering factors like wear leveling and NAND flash memory. It's important to recognize that success rates can vary from case to case. The complexity of the issue, the extent of damage, and the actions taken before seeking professional help can all influence the likelihood of successful data recovery. Inquire if the data recovery service adheres to industry standards and best practices, such as those outlined by the International Association of Data Recovery Professionals, IADRP. Membership or certification from reputable organizations can indicate a commitment to quality and expertise. Request client references or testimonials from individuals or businesses who have used the service. Real-world experiences from previous customers can provide insights into the service's success rate and overall quality. Many reputable data recovery services operate on a no-data, no-fee basis. This means that you only pay if they successfully recover your data. This policy can demonstrate their confidence in their ability to retrieve your information. Assess the service's transparency and willingness to communicate openly about the likelihood of success. A professional data recovery provider should be upfront about the challenges and potential outcomes of your specific case. In summary, when inquiring about a data recovery service's success rate, be sure to ask about their experience in handling different types of hard drive failures, request case-specific information, consider industry standards and client references, and evaluate their transparency in communication. These factors will help you assess their expertise and determine if they are a reliable choice for your data recovery needs.